we have 4.2 times 3. So the first thing we do is circle the numbers that are behind the dot or behind the decimal. I only see one number behind the dot, which is the same thing as a decimal. Okay, and I'm going to rewrite this without the decimal for now so I won't be confused. You always start multiplying from the last number. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4. Remember, you can have your 4 circles and your 3 lines in each one. If you don't know, remember what it is. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is your 3 times table. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, and 3 times 4. So we see here that 3 times 4 is 12. We go back here, and it says one number goes behind the dot or decimal. So I put my dot here. This is my answer. When I am adding these two numbers, if I have 4.3 plus 3. Okay, there's an imaginary decimal here behind all numbers. If you don't see a decimal in a number, there's a decimal behind it. If you see a decimal, then that's where the decimal is. But if you don't see one, the imaginary decimal is here. When you're adding, I have to line these two decimals up. So I have to put a dot here, and I have to line up another dot here. I see that with this dot, the 4 comes first and then the 3. With this decimal, the 3 comes first and then an imaginary 0. So when you add or subtract, you got to line up your decimals and your imaginary decimal. So 7.3 would have been the answer if I was adding here. And that's it.